Hello, welcome to the vlog to Thailand Kachanaburi edition. So last December we flew to Thailand for 6 days, 3 days at Kachanaburi and the remaining days at Bangkok, eating and shopping. The Bangkok edition will be uploaded later on, so stay tuned. I miss flying. After 2 hours, we finally landed at Bangkok, took our rental car and off we go on a 3-hour plus drive to Kachanaburi, which is approximately 129 km west of Bangkok.
This is the driver. I'm the watchkeeper.
We only arrived at Z9 Resort late at night, that is why it is pitch dark. With our takeaway from Bell's Pizzeria, our food turned cold because of the 1-hour drive, but nevertheless we still enjoy it. Sawadika Day 2. This is the beautiful and peaceful lake view when we open the curtain. Yummy breakfast from Z9 Resort, not a huge variety but good enough spread of western and local dishes. On our way to Erawan Waterfall, this is a popular tourist destination not to be missed when you are at Kachanaburi. I would suggest you to go in the morning when the weather is cooler.
We are gonna conquer the 7 waterfalls.
At first we thought we reached the level 1 of the waterfall, but no, this is just like the welcome. Finally, we reached the first level of the waterfall, which was pretty easy. The difficult one was from level 5 onwards to 7. This was the level 2 of the waterfall. Level 3 of the waterfall. Well, of course, level 4 of the waterfall. Level 5 of the waterfall, and it's gonna get tougher from here. Level 6 of the waterfall and 1 more to go. Rocky path ahead, so I suggest you to wear a pair of shoes just to be safe. And we finally made it to the level 7 of the waterfall. Woo! to navigate on the Google map, so we just followed the road sign. We were very lucky to see the train pass by just when we reached the track. You can walk along the track after the train has left. I think each day there's only 2 trains passing by. This was our lunch and dinner at a restaurant along the River Kwai. Love everything except for the glass noodle. Sawadika Day 3. Last morning at the Zenai Resort, we had our breakfast and then we went for canoeing along the lake.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love.
On our way to Mina Cafe, which is our last stop for the Kachanaburi trip, a stunning cafe among the rice paddy field, and you can see the famous Tiger Temple from afar. We ordered smoothie and basil pork rice.